tennis not cutting edge enough for you? Well, I've got this travesty in my hand, whatever the hell this is. Apparently it's all the rage in America, and it's named after a sandwich, or a burger, or a pickle, something like pickleball. I don't really know what the hell this is. Wonder if somebody would explain me that.
I would be happy to explain that to you. My name's James Hedrick, and I'm the co-founder of Azul 3D.
Well,
and
hello,
we're helping
James.
to revolutionize the sport of pickleball with Wilson Sporting Goods right now.
What is pickleball, and why would you 3D print this?
So pickleball is the fastest growing sport in the US. It's played on a tennis court, but slightly smaller. And what we're finding is that with 3D printing, you can completely change the sound of it. So if you give yours a whack,
A whack it is.
and you hear this one, how much quieter this is. This sport is incredibly annoying, but amazingly fun to play. And by changing that sound, it can stay just as fun, but it changes the complete dynamics of the growth.
So you put all this work in just to make a sport a less noisier?
A little less noisier. The other thing that we also did with it is that you see this big star right here?
Right.
So I'm from Chicago, and Wilson's from Chicago. This is the Chicago flag star.
Oh.
And so what we did was take something that was built across the world and assembled together in all these different parts, and now make it all built in one place and completely re-engineer the supply chain and replace something that was carbon fiber face with a polymer resin that we custom designed for them. So this is the first time you're going from a composite back to a single piece material, and also the first time you have a 3D printed part going into a hard impact sport and not just an elastomer for like shoes or bikes.
Well, cool. Well, James, you've got plenty going on. When am I going to see you back in court?
Pretty soon.
Pretty
we gotta go
soon.
play.
Yeah, let's go play. And grab ourselves a Chicago hot dog on the way.
That sounds great.
All right, let's do that then.